Assalamu alaikum everyone, I hope you're all doing well. This is your teacher Miss Nawera Fiaz, and today we will be learning grammar skills unit number 5, adjectival phrases and clauses. So open up your grammar skills, page number 20. We all know what adjectives are. Adjectives are the words that give more information about a noun. Okay? They describe the quality of a noun. Phrases are the words, a bunch of words which do not make sense on their own. इनमें कोई subject और verb नहीं होता. They do not have a subject-verb combination. While clause has a subject and a verb, it is also a bunch of words, but it makes sense on its own. ठीक है? Complete sentence के बगैर भी इनकी समझ आती है. Look at the grammar help box. An adjectival phrase is a group of words that act as an adjective in a sentence. ठीक है, ये group of words होते हैं जो कि adjective के तौर पे act करते हैं. Basically, they give more information about the noun. Phrases don't have verbs, so they do not form complete sentence. For example, happy and contented. First word is adjectival phrases. ठीक है, if they come before the noun or often joined with the, they are often joined with the hyphen. अगर ये noun से पहले आए तो इनमें क्या होती है, hyphen होती है. For example, a 3-year savings plan. Plan जो है noun है, इससे पहले आ रहे हैं a 3-year savings. So 3 and year के दरमियान में क्या है, hyphen है. Second point is an adjectival phrase answers the following questions about the noun. अगर हम noun के बारे में question करें और जो हमारा answer होगा वो भी adjectival phrase होती है. For example, if you look at this question, this statement, last weekend over old and outdated computer stopped working. ठीक है, so computer is the noun. So if I ask the question which computer stopped working, the answer will be old and outdated computer. So old and outdated will be phrase. So अगर noun के बारे में question किया जाए तो जो answer हमारा आता है वो हमारे पास phrase होती है, adjectival phrase. Third point is an adjective phrase may begin with a preposition. But because it is doing the job of describing a noun, it is called an adjectival phrase. बाज़ औक़ात adjectival phrases जो हैं वो preposition के साथ भी start होती हैं, जैसे कि on the counter, in my school, words like these. ठीक है, but they will still be adjectival phrases. First exercise is they have given us a paragraph. We have to circle the nouns and underline the adjectival phrases. और adjectival phrases के बारे में आपको कैसे पता चलेगा? You will ask the question which one about the noun. ठीक है, जैसे कि computer shop next to the bank. Computer shop is the noun. So if I asked which computer shop, you will say next to the bank. So next to the bank is over phrase. Sales assistant, noun. ठीक है, which sales assistant? Efficient and friendly sales assistant. So efficient friendly will be over phrase. इसी तरह बाकी भी हो जाएंगी. Now move on towards exercise B. Exercise B is complete the definitions by adding an adjectival phrase beginning with. ठीक है, they have given us some words, some nouns. ठीक है, जिनको हमने define करना है adjectival phrases से, और उस adjectival phrase को start करने से पहले हम क्या लिखेंगे, with लिखेंगे. First one is vertebrates are animals. We will write down with backbones. Insects are animals with 6 legs. Arachnids are animals with 8 legs. Marsupials are animals with pouches. Invertebrates are animals with no backbones. ठीक है, so these were the nouns. We have to define it, give more information about it, but उस information से पहले हमने क्या लिखा, with लिखा. Now exercise C, they have given us some adjectival phrases. ठीक है, read the adjectival phrases below and write sentences for 6 of them. ठीक है, we have to describe a noun using these adjectival phrases. They have given us some adjectival phrases in the box. For example, first one is of ancient Rome. ठीक है, so first sentence is done. Aqueducts were an invention of ancient Rome. ये जो हमारा phrase है वो किसको define कर रहा है, इस noun को. So हम इसी तरह बाकी sentences लिखेंगे, जैसे कि about life in space. Astronauts study about life in space. In the middle, my school is in the middle of the town. इसी तरह बाकी के adjectival phrases भी जो हैं हम sentences में use करेंगे, which will describe a noun. जैसे smartly dressed. This smartly dressed adjectival phrase is describing this person, this noun. इसी तरह बाकी भी सारे हो जाएंगे. I hope you understood it and it will be easier for you to understand. Moving forward to our next exercise. Exercise D, but before doing that, look at the grammar help box. You can also use adjectival clauses to indicate which one. Unlike adjectival phrases, adjectival clauses contain a verb. ठीक है, adjectival clauses में भी हम question पूछते हैं. ठीक है, और लेकिन इसमें हमारे पास क्या है, we have a verb. ठीक है, adjectival clauses often begin with, और ये जो हैं हमारी adjectival clauses हमेशा किससे, हमेशा तो नहीं, but mostly जो हैं they start with who, whom, whose, which, that, or relative verbs such as where, why, when. Look at exercise D. Complete each definition with an adjectival phrase clause beginning with who or where. A geologist is a person who study rocks. Stevedore is a person who loads and unloads ships. A martyr is a person who dies for a cause he she believes in. So ये सारे हमारे, these are the nouns and we have to add an adjectival clause. जैसे कि ये देखें, इसमें verb है, These are the nouns and we have to write an adjectival clause where we will start it with who or where. ठीक है. An abattoir is the place where animals are slaughtered for sale. A monastery is a place, this is a sort of like a religious place. A monastery is a place where monks live together. Monks जो है religious people हैं. A silo is a place where grains are stored. So in this exercise they have given us the nouns. We have to write the adjectival clause. ठीक है. And we will start with who or where. Exercise E is underline the adjectival clause in each sentence, then rewrite the sentence substituting an adjectival clause of your own. इस एक्सरसाइज में क्या है कि दे हैव गिवन अस सम एडजेक्टिवल क्लॉजेज इन द सेंटेंसेस. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल अंडरलाइन देम. हम उन एडजेक्टिवल क्लॉजेज को अंडरलाइन करेंगे और फिर हम नेक्स्ट जो उन्होंने हमें सेंटेंस दिया है and the next statements we will write down our own adjectival clause. ठीक है. और adjectival clauses का हमें कैसे पता चलेगा? उनसे पहले where, that, whom, why इस तरह के words लिखे हुए हैं. So this is the theater where I lost my purse. So where के बाद I lost my purse, this is adjectival clause. In next sentence we will write down our own adjectival clause. This is the theater where I see the movies. इसी तरह John bought the book that Sue recommended. That Sue recommended is our clause. John bought the book. Now we will write our own clause that is written by Jim. इसी तरह Jack is the basketball player for whom the coach has the most respect. So we will write down for whom जो है यहाँ पे. अब इसके बाद हमारा क्या है? सारी adjective clause है. Jack is the basketball player who scores the most. In this way we will do rest of the exercise. Like over there is the school where my parents studied. So where के बाद क्या है? हमारी adjective clause है. So over there is the school where my sister studies. The happy girl whose story won the prize celebrated with her friends. So we will write down our own clause. So we will write down the girl who won the lottery celebrated with her friends. ठीक है. So जितनी भी adjectival clauses हैं हम उन्हें underline करेंगे और next statement में हम अपनी adjectival clauses लिखेंगे. The puppy who had followed Anne from home from school belonged to Jenny. The puppy who barked at Annie, or you can write down the puppy who had white and black fur belonged to Jenny. This exercise will be done like this. Grammar help box, we can shorten some adjectival phrases by leaving off the relative pronouns. Relative pronouns जैसे कि who, whom, whose, which, that, where, when, ये सारे pronouns को हम अगर निकाल दें तो हम क्या करेंगे? उसे shorten कर सकते हैं. For example, the hospital where I was born in. Now this is the relative pronoun. ठीक है. अगर हम इसे निकाल दें तो हमारी जो है वो ये shorten हो जाएगी. The hospital I was born in. My aunt is the woman who is wearing a white dress. Who को निकाल दें relative pronoun को, so it will be my aunt is the woman wearing a white dress. So this is a shortened form of an adjectival clause. In exercise F, we have to shorten 5 sentences from exercise E. ठीक है. So John brought the book. अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया? That को निकाल दिया. Sue recommended. John bought the book. Sue recommended. This is the reason people cannot breathe in water. The man wearing a white hat is a famous concert pianist. So we had shortened the adjectival clauses. So I hope you understood the concept of adjectival phrases and clauses. Rest of the notes will also be shared in Google Classroom. So take care. Allah Hafiz.